Hi, my name is Dariusz Filipiak, and today I want to talk about what every CTO gets wrong about AI. Well, maybe not every CTO, but enough of them that I could make a presentation about it. This isn't going to be another presentation when I talk how AI will increase productivity by 37%, replace half of your developers, or magically transfer your company. I want to talk about something much more important. How should you actually lead people in the AI era? Because AI is changing incredibly fast, and technology was never the hardest part of being CTO. People are. And that's exactly where I think we are getting AI wrong. So, AI is not replacement strategy. Many leaders buy AI with one goal in mind: replacing employees. That's a mistake. The purpose of AI should be eliminating repetitive work, not eliminating people. When AI saves an engineer 2 hours per day, those 2 hours should be invested into creativity, learning, innovation, family, health, or better quality of life. The best companies will use AI to make humans stronger, not cheaper. If you think AI won't replace some human at work, you're wrong. This question is not whether AI will replace certain jobs. It will. The real question is what happens next. Throughout history, believe me or not, humans have merged with technology. AI is just the next step. The future is not AI versus humans. The future is AI enhanced humans versus everyone else. Many people assume that their AI they use today is the most powerful AI in existence. That assumption is wrong. Government research laboratories, defense organizations, and major technology companies have access to resources and systems that are years ahead of public sees. So stay humble, don't force employees to use AI. Let them experiment, learn, and discover where it genuinely helps. Most of us are still playing in the beginner league of AI. The best employees in your company The best employee in your company is worth more than any AI tool. Technology comes and goes. Exceptional people create culture, solve impossible problems, inspire teams, and make difficult decisions. No AI can fully replace wisdom, responsibility, leadership, trust, and human relationships. Invest in people first, then invest in AI. Never reverse that order. One of the biggest mistakes companies make is using AI to generate more code, more services, more layers, more complexity. That's not progress. The real value of AI is increasing the level of abstraction, less code, cleaner architecture, better documentation, better automation, higher quality. The AI produces more complexity. If AI produces more complexity that it removes, you are using it incorrectly. AI can generate code incredibly fast, and that's exactly where the danger starts. Because generating code is cheap, maintaining code is expensive. Before AI, there was at least some natural friction. Somebody had to sit down, understand the problem, design something, and actually write the code. Now you can generate 5,000 lines of code before lunch. But those 5,000 lines still become your company responsibility. Somebody has to understand them, somebody has to test them, somebody has to debug them 2 years from now. Somebody had to upgrade the dependencies, and somebody has to explain why this beautiful AI-generated abstraction has 17 factories, 9 interfaces similar to each other. So don't measure AI productivity by how much code your developers produce. That's probably the worst metric you could choose. In good engineering organization, AI should actually help you write less code. Use it to find duplication, simplify architecture, create better abstractions, automate repetitive work, understand unfamiliar systems faster, and delete things you don't need. More code is more software engineering. More code is not more software engineering. Sometimes the smartest contribution an engineer can make is deleting 10,000 of lines and replacing them with one good abstraction. AI makes producing complexity almost free. And your job as CTO is to make sure consuming that complexity doesn't become increasingly expensive. Now let's talk about something much simpler, money. Every CTO is being told that AI will save company money. So naturally, we start buying AI subscription for developers, AI inside IDE, AI agents, enterprise licenses, premium models, AI inside tool that already have AI inside them, and suddenly money is gone. This doesn't mean you shouldn't spend money on AI. You should absolutely. But you should when it creates a real value. Don't evaluate the investment only by asking how many developer hours did we save, because saving an engineer 2 hours doesn't automatically mean you save company 2 hours of salary. And definitely it shouldn't mean great, now we can give them 2 more hours of work. Maybe those 2 hours mean that they can think about architecture. Maybe they can finally fix technical debt. Maybe they can learn something. Or maybe they can just go home without thinking about work. That has value too. So when you calculate return of investment of AI, don't only calculate how many people you can remove. Calculate how much better your people can become. So this is your stakeholder meeting. And here's uncomfortable truth. Nobody in this room cares that your developers are using AI. They don't care, stakeholders don't care that you are using ChatGPT. They don't care that you are using Claude. They don't care that your developers generated 50,000 lines of code this month. And definitely they don't care that you've added word AI to every second slide of your presentation. What stakeholders care about is actually very simple. Did we build something better? Did we deliver faster? Is the software more reliable? Are customers happier? Did we reduce cost without destroying quality? Did we create something our competitors don't have? If AI allows 10 developers to produce 10 times more code, I'm not necessarily impressed. You might have just created 10 times more software that somebody has to maintain. But if AI helps those same developers create a smarter architecture that requires half the code, now we have something worth talking about. This is what I want to see from CTO, not look how much more AI we are using, but look what we figure out. Using AI isn't impressive anymore. Everybody has access to AI. Your competitors have it, your junior developers have it, your customers have it, probably your grandmother has it. And impressive is what your company can do with it. Did your engineers discover a smarter architecture? Did they eliminate an entire layer of complexity? Did somebody automate something everyone assumed require a team of 20 people? That's worth bragging about. So when something generally clever comes out of your company, don't say AI did this. Give credit to the people who understand the problem. AI might have helped because typing a prompt isn't actual property. Knowing what to build is. So brag about your engineers, brag about your architecture, brag about your ideas, brag about the problem your company solved. Don't brag about having access to the same AI everybody else has. So, the best CTOs of the AI era will not be the ones who replace the most people. They will be the ones who helped the most people become more capable. Technology changes every decade. Human potential remains the most valuable asset any company will ever have. And remember, AI is your weapon. Your people are your army. Don't shoot your own soldiers. Give them better weapons. Train them, trust them. And when AI war comes, make sure your team is on your side, not against you because of a stupid decision that you made. Thank you.